Welcome to Kaman AI. In this video, we'll guide you through building your very own resume screening agent, step by step. Kaman AI is an intelligent, agentic automation platform that helps businesses save time and reduce manual work. Our goal today is to automate a common HR task, resume screening, by creating an agent that can analyze a job description, review a candidate's resume, and recommend suitability automatically. Let's get started. From your Kaman AI dashboard, go to Agents and click Create Agent. Start by entering the basic information: agent name, description, version, category, -image. Once that's done, click Next. Next, let's configure your agent. Start by selecting the model you want to use, for example, GPT-4 or GPT-4o, and choose the thinking mode that best suits your use case. Now it's time to define your agent instructions. Here, describe in detail how your agent should behave, what it should do, the kind of language or tone it should use, and how it should handle different scenarios. You can also add constraints if needed. Also define the output structure clearly. Specify what kind of response you expect, so your agent consistently delivers information in a well-organized format. Once you've set the model, thinking mode, and configuration details, click Next to continue. Now let's give your agent its capabilities. Under Tools and Workflow, click Add Tools. Choose the workflow or tools available or you created earlier. You can also integrate data sources or external applications, such as your HR database, Google Drive, or ATS system. This provides your agent with the real-time information it needs to evaluate candidates effectively. Next, set pricing. Next, preview. Publish the agent, and that's it. You've just built a resume screening agent in Kaman AI. With just a few steps, you can automate time-consuming HR tasks, improve consistency, and make smarter decisions faster. Congratulations, your intelligent HR assistant is ready to use. Now let's see your agent in action. From the dashboard, locate your agent and click Launch to open the chat. Start by providing a job description. For example, a full-stack developer role that requires experience with JavaScript, React, Node.js, and API integration. Your agent will read the JD, analyze it, and then automatically ask you for the candidate's resume. Go ahead and upload or paste the candidate's resume into the chat. The agent will analyze both inputs, extracting the key requirements from the job description, reviewing the candidate's skills and experience, and then generating a suitability score, matching criteria, and a clear recommendation summary. You can watch the entire reasoning process unfold, all without any manual review. Fast, accurate, and fully automated.